Hello mathematicians, it's Miss Preston. Today we are going to be learning a different strategy for subtracting double-digit numbers. The strategy is called expand and trade. And when you are learning this strategy, keep in mind that I like to teach you multiple strategies because everyone's brain works differently. A strategy that works for someone might not work for another person, and that's okay. If you don't understand the strategy or you prefer to use a different strategy, that's fine. But it's nice to know that there are multiple ways to do a problem. This strategy uses expanded form. So the first thing that you're going to do is break these two numbers into expanded form. So we have 79. So the expanded form of 79 would be 70 plus 9. The expanded form of 34 would be 30 plus 4. And then we can subtract these numbers. So 9 minus 4, I like to use the strategy of counting up. So I'm going to put 4 in my head. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 5 there. And then 70 minus 30 is the same thing as doing 7 minus 3 and then putting the 0 down. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 79 minus 34 is going to be 40 plus 5, and we know from expanded form that 40 plus 5 is going to be 45. That would be your answer. The next one, you'd expand 84. So we would have 80 plus 4, and then 56, so 50 plus 6. The problem with this one is you can't do 4 minus 6. If I had 4 jelly beans and you asked me for 6 of them, you would be out of luck because I would not have enough to give you. So what we do here is we're going to take away a 10 from here. So this would be 70 instead, and we're going to make this have 10 more. So 14 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that would be 8. And then 70 minus 50, so 5, 6, 7. 20 plus 8 is 28. Problem, we expand 160, so we would have 100 plus 60 plus 0, and I'm going to put the 0 in because I want that 0 to hold the place of the 1 so that I can make sure that when I'm writing out 77, I know which place I need my numbers. So 77 would be 70 plus 7, and see how I put the 70 under the 60 because that's the tens place. I wouldn't want it over here. So now we can do our subtraction. 0 minus 7 we cannot do. So we're going to cross out the 60. We're going to steal a 10 from the 60. So that would be 50. And this would be 10. So now we can do 10 minus 7 because we know our combinations of 10. We know that that's 3. And then we're going to look at the 50 minus 70. Uh-oh. We can't do 50 minus 70 either. So we're going to steal this 100, make this 150. Now, remember, we can always ignore the zeros if they're both under each other. So we're just going to do 15 minus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We get 8. And we know 0 minus 0 is 0. So our answer would be 8. 80 plus 3, which is 83. I hope you learned something about the expand and trade strategy for subtracting double-digit numbers today. Bye!